Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. We are from PBLAN 302. We would like to present our project titled A Workplace Not a Fair Place. Before that, allow us to introduce ourselves. My name is Yukiana Anissa Trialta.
My name is Aida Zakia Soleha.
My name is Livia Indra.
My name is Nur Sharifah.
My name is Fawaz Jasi Ulwan.
Here is our project outputs are 2D animation, process book, and a poster. The story is inspired by real cases of verbal harassment and power abuse occurring in professional environments. The story follows Embun, a student intern who experienced verbal abuse from her manager, but eventually find the courage to report it with the help of her friend Adara.
So next it's our premise. It's about Embun, an intern at PT Equitas Finance Corporation, becomes a victim of verbal abuse from her manager. With the support of her colleague Adara, she finds the courage to report the incident, leading to justice being served through the company BPKPT task force. Next, it's our three-act structure. In the first act, we see how Embun is treated harshly by her manager over a minor mistake, but she continues to try to fix her report. In the second act, a sea worker Adara encourages Embun to report the case to the PPKPT task force. But during the hearing, Mr. Arka denies the accusation and claims that Embun is exaggerating. In the third act, Embun speaks up about the pressure she feels because of her manager's actions. After hearing this, the director decides to suspend Mr. Arka.
Next, we have the storyboard.
Embun is a final year's university student who is doing an internship at PT Equitas Finance Corporation. She is portrayed as diligent, responsible, and striving to be professional. Her simple and neat design represent an intern who is still adapting to the workplace. This slide presents Embun mood board. Visually, Embun wears a campus jacket, shirt, pants, hijab, and an intern ID card to emphasize her identity as an intern. Her net appearance reflects office scene and show her emotional change due to pressure in the workplace. The supporting character consists of Adara and Mr. Arka. Adara represents a support intern, while Mr. Arka represents a superior who abused his authority. Their interactions build the main conflict of the story. Adara is an intern who is nearing the end of her internship period. Her visual design appears calmer and more mature, highlighting her experience and her role as a support system for Embun. The formal visual designer represents Mr. Arka authority and power as a superior, which is later contrasted with his verbal abuse and unethical behavior.
Next, here is the building reference for the PT Equitas, and this is the 3D building we have created, and below the 3D building is the sketch of the building. Next are some rooms that we create in 3D. First is the Division General Administration Room, which is showing Umbun is working. Second is the interrogation room, which is showing Embun adalah Mr. Arka and the director are gathered. Here is the task force room, which is showing Embun and Adara report on the task force. Next. And or to the properties only create paper document that will later be held by Embun, and or 3D properties create items such as clock, table, and calendars. Next.
So next, it's our concept movement. We use two LMR movement in our animation. On the left, we see LMR press is used when Embun is typing, and the right, LMR ring is used when Embun feels nervous in front of the PPKPT force. Next.
For the audio, we keep the precious soundscape and add a subtle sad sound with slow piano melodies. Next slide. Our creative process started with character sketch and go to character cut body creation and 3D space design.
So after we made cutout character, next it's we imported into more animation, and the character are then rigged and animated using keyframes. After that, the animation is edited in DaVinci Resolve and CapCut by arranging scenes, adjusting timing, and adding audio to produce the final video. Next.
Our poster shows Embun as the main character, looking exhausted, with Mr. Arka above her, showing anger and pressure. On the right side, there is a figure who efforts to help Embun, Adara, and the title is placed at the bottom in the large size with the project member list below.
And this is the final animation.
Through this project, we hope people can be more aware of verbal violence in the workplace and be more supportive toward victims. That is all from us. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.